This is insane. The goddess. She's the goddess. Hey guys, Mabuhay, it's Maria and welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know me yet, I am a Filipino fashion model based in New York City. And in my videos, I'm actually talking about fashion, foods, and lifestyle. We're actually going to talk a lot of beautiful things here in the city of dreams, New York City. And in today's video, we're actually going to check it out. The Starbucks Reserve here in Chelsea. If you want to know what's inside this huge Starbucks shops, then please keep on watching. So if you're actually looking for the Starbucks Reserve, it was just beside Google, and this is Starbucks Reserve. Look at this huge wooden door. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. Like a flight airport board. This Starbucks is huge. Same merchandises. They got some apparels too here. And Starbucks Reserve. Look at this tote bag. Some blankets this winter season. This is the restaurant that you can order hot foods. Yeah, definitely. These are hot foods and salads. Pastas are here. They got some pizzas. Pastries. It is from Princi. Okay, this is the coffee machine. This is insane. There is a running all the way on these tubes. Yeah, it is a big machines. There, all the way down there. And on the second floor, it's the bar area. A bar called the Arrabbiamo bar. Arrabbiamo in Italian meaning it's arrived. And down is another coffee shop area that you can sit down and do your thing, do your work. The second floor, they got a bar here. Yeah. So you can have cocktails, alcoholic beverages served here. You can even get a olive oil. Okay, this is their menus. They have, hi, just checking the menu. Okay, coffee concoctions. They have even hot foods here too. So they got some lasagna, chicken cacciatore, and for sweet they have tiramisu, cheese board. Okay, they have a lot of selections here. And their cocktails. I think they have their own cocktails here to try out. Coffee cocktails.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July.
So this is the area we can get your coffee beans for you, and then it's good to go. Follow the line.
Feel it too, nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store.
So you think we should try the newest holiday drinks of Starbucks Reserve? Let's do it. I think I'm gonna try let's get the Starbucks Reserve Peppermint Oatmeal Mocha.
We're together all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something.
Hi. Okay, I'll try that one. Yeah. I think I'll go with the grande. Maria. So you're gonna order there, and the pickup should be here. Thank you. They got even bonfire here. Oh. So I've ordered their holiday drinks, which is the peppermint oat. It is the peppermint oat mocha Pantheon blend. I'm sorry for that noise. I think they're fixing the coffee, you know, the big coffee machines. Yeah. So if you actually wanted to visit this Starbucks Coffee Reserve, they have two Reserve Starbucks right now in New York City, one here in Chelsea Meatpacking, and the other one is inside Empire State Building. So a free tour. We're in Starbucks Reserve.
I could have told you, but it would have sounded like a joke when I said it. I'd have been like, oh, it was down past the Costa Rica plants up the river. But it's the truth, though.
It is. I've been here before, but I just wanted like to put in a vlog. Hey, this is huge. It is.
Any circle that's green, you can go into. If it's red, it's occupied.
Nice. It's pretty. Costa Rica, 1970, Hacienda Alsacia.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
If you love Starbucks, then please visit Chelsea Starbucks Reserve. It was huge. We got like 2 floors. 1 floor up is the bar, and then the main floor. Thank you guys for coming with me, visiting the Starbucks Reserve here in Chelsea Meatpacking District. So this is your girl Maria saying Salamat. Thank you. Paalam, bye, and see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year.